Through this cafe, I am hoping and I am targeting the youth. I just want to tell people about the importance of food. As a childhood, I have just done Ayurveda. I was raised. I used to work when I guess I was 15. I started working with my dad, and also my whole life revolves around Ayurveda. Ayurveda herbs, the healthy eating, the healthy lifestyle, and I from childhood I just know about it. So when this cafe thing it first clicked, because I have a couple of stores in Mumbai. So where we have doctors coming in, patients coming in. So patients with multiple complaints for the basic thing, the acidity, diabetes, blood pressure and all that. So I just always have a conversation with my doctors. So why this? Why it's like they always keep telling me, Sheetal, only one problem is the food, what we eat, the lifestyle, what we are adopting. Now before 25, 30 years, we were like, the life was not that fast. It was, but now it has become more faster. More the people are like, they want everything fast. They want everything quick. So they said, Sheetal, it's that. So I said, what? But what could be the actual cause? So they said food. So then, idea came. So let's start with something, where I can tell people, what is the importance of healthy, what is the importance of fresh eating. So this is how I started the cafe, and I never thought of F&B, competing anyone or something. I just want to be myself, just telling people about the importance of food. So choosing this space, Dadar being the heart of Mumbai, the center of Mumbai, people living around here, Maharashtrian, Gujaratis. I prefer Dadar just because this is the heart of Mumbai, and even I'm a resident nearby, so I just found that this is the right place. And choosing this place was, I just did it. And it's very important to have a right team. People, when I started a cafe, there were colleagues who tell me like, Sheetal, do you have a chef on board? I said, no. So then, how are you going to manage? I said, yeah, I'll do it. So, and I'm going to keep an open kitchen, that people can also see what we are cooking. Because I want them to know. Basically, I want them to know what fresh food is, what you are eating. So, I just started and I selected a team where they can, understand me. So, I chose a team of young people who are not, who actually wanted a job, okay, and who really wanted to learn something. So, I chose a, team of young people who were not from, who had no background of, cooking. They are just hardly some 10th pass or, some. So I said, and there is one more thing, like, everybody wants an experienced staff. So I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do a little different. I wanted them to follow me, because if I would go to any of the experts, they will definitely bring in their ideas, and, that might affect my concept or something. So I said no. So I just worked with them. For 2 months, rapidly we had a trials. I taught them how to make it, how to cook it, and yes, they did it. And I'm so happy. Like today, I'm working with them almost, of 1.5 years, and it's been amazing. The milk, it comes from my farm. So basic ingredients, the major ingredients which I only prefer getting from my farm, because I know what I am doing. I do not compromise on qualities, or I do not compromise on the well-being of my cows, and I don't compromise on the quality, especially when it comes to food. So paneer, milk, dahi, ghee, everything comes from my farm. The rest of the ingredients, I've been associated with many of the small vendors and small farmers. There are also bigger brands like Satvik. There are bigger brands like Sahyadri Farms. So I've met them personally. I have had a detailed conversation about how they are sourcing the food. I've tested. I have myself used that food for a month. And I believe in natural food more than organic. Just labeling an organic does not mean that the food. I am not an actual believer of that. I believe the food has to be proper, naturally grown. It has to be, sourced from a right place, not chemicals, no chemicals, pesticide, no, nothing has to be there. So I make sure of all that. I've made sure I've just done a, thorough, kind of a, talks with them. Practically myself, I've used them, and only and only. Even the ketchup what we use here is made out of jaggery, There is no preservative. So such small, minute details are being taken care. And yeah, this is how I do it. Like, I just only natural products, no chemicals, please. So here in cafe, I am like, I use only eco-friendly materials. It may be in a packaging, it may be in a delivery containers, it may be a bags, from a very minute things. For the milkshakes what we serve, for the juices what we give. So even the takeaway has a glass bottle, not the plastic ones. So plastic is completely banned in my cafe. No plastic has to be used. Even the tissues what we use, even the wipes what we use, we try and use as much as, almost biodegradable, which is, eco-friendly, friendly to environment, because we have to take care, we are responsible citizen and we have to do that. Each and everyone has to do it, basically. Starting this cafe is actually for them, for the next generation, for the younger generation. Through this cafe, I am hoping and I am targeting the youth, okay. For instance, I am trying to make them eat sheera instead of a fudge. It tastes like a fudge, but definitely, So this is with the smallest steps, this is, and my only motto starting this cafe is just for the younger generation, for the coming generation. For instance, my son, my son, he's 15 now, and he was more into fast food and all that. But through this cafe, like I have achieved somewhere now. Every day his food goes from cafe, and he's very happy to eat that. He's finding himself changing. He's a very health conscious guy, So, and then he shares that words of appreciation with me every day. He also he's liking the food. So I think now I think slowly, gradually I should be able to teach more to the younger people. And so when we were planning this place, so it was first of all kind of a very narrow space, so there were very big challenges. But my only brief to my designer was that I want each and every wall to have a different look, a different kind of a Indian identity. So behind me you can see is the Lipan artwork. Here is like we did like from farm to the table, the whole concept, from my farm to Shiv Sena Bhavan, where we are here sitting right away. Then there was the picture of a Gir cow. The whole benefits of the milk, I wanted to put it in that. Then there was the cows sitting under a tree. So each and every wall I wanted to be a different. I didn't want it just follow a theme and pura usko ek jaisa. No, I just wanted to look little different, like wherever people see, they should be finding something new, different and good.